Before you proceed with the instructions, make sure that the cable housing is cut to the correct length and installed in the frame. If needed, install the pinch barrel and prepare everything on dropper post side. Mount the cable housing and install dropper post into the frame. Pull the cable out cockpit side. Attention, do not install a cable end cap. Cut it so 56 mm of naked cable stick out the cable housing. Take the barrel nut and carefully position it so that there are 22 mm of naked cable on each side of the barrel nut. Use a T6 to tighten the barrel nut. The cable will bend slightly during tightening. Simply bend it back so that the cable forms a straight line. This makes installation easier. Now install a cable end cap. Loosen the tensioning bolt and make sure its gap matches the gap of the bolt interface. Check that the cable is forming a straight line. Stick the cable housing in the lever mount. Slide the first half of the naked cable through the gap of the tensioning bolt. Position the barrel nut bolt face down and push the rest of the cable through the hole. Tighten the barrel adjuster. Turn it until it clicks and there's no more lever play. To unmount, simply loosen the tensioning bolt a few turns and make sure the gap matches the lever interface gap. Push the end of the cable back through the hole and unmount the cable from the lever.